Hey everyone, here is my tip of the day today. During the process of metabolism, your body produces free radicals. Free radicals damage your tissues and your cells. However, the body balances this out by producing antioxidants. It is this fine balance between antioxidants and free radicals that keep you healthy and well. If you have excess of free radicals, it leads to conditions such as diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, chronic fatigue syndrome, and it makes you look older than what you are, which is it hastens and increases the process of aging. So make sure you have enough antioxidants in your body. Make sure you eat fruit and vegetable, you exercise regularly, and you sleep well. All these measures will maintain this beautiful balance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. Look after yourself.